Hello guys, it's me JM Plays. Uh, it's been a while since I have done one of these videos where I'm playing games. I mostly make like shorts content about like some like scary things that it kind of work well with one video, but not really. But right now, I wanna do something different. So I'll be attempting to play Blackman Go. Especially Bed Wars because it's like the only like best content in my opinion that I did. So let's start. Like my old video, this is like raw content, unedited footage. So yeah, I want to do like 3 rounds at Bed Wars. Like I know the first time will be like bots in the tutorial, but I just wanna see my skill. If it probably downgraded because I haven't played Bed Wars in a while. But I played Night of the School because I like horror games. And I played it with my brother Yoman BG. Shout out to him. Okay, let's start. I might not know how to play this. Okay, so I want Fixed Joy. Okay. Slightly, I know a little bit of things if I remember correctly. Oh, I will just put it like right here. Okay, for sure I'm doing it correctly. Pretty much. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can like do any commentary of this stuff, but I'll just try. I might like cut like some parts. Wait. Okay. I know this is about to just give me stuff. I played Minecraft, so I think I might know a thing or two about this. Didn't get shit. Okay. Okay, like so yeah. It's pretty much like it. Let me just like do this shit, bro. Let me do this shit real quick. Okay. Let me speedrun so we can get to the real players. I mean, I could do a part 2 because to face even stronger players. Well, let's just see like how many views this gets. This is just an experiment trying to revive my channel using games. So let's play next round. Pretty much I speedrun the game, but yes, it's still a pretty hard game once I get in like rank. Yeah, I remember those days back in the day. Okay, I may have veterans knowledge, but I'm not sure. Like right now, like I don't have like any particle effects, but I used to have like cyber wings, skull, like some edgy emo uniform. Like yeah, I remember the good old days. My skin like on my old account was like pretty rare right now because no one uses them anymore. Especially like cyber wings. That's why I got that hence the name Cyber BG. I go by JM Plays because Cyber BG only limits it to Blackman Go while JM Plays is more games. Sorry if I'm yapping too much. Like I'm just explaining things, man. So yeah, let's wait for the round to start. Okay, so yeah, guys, the game started. So my game plan is just to get some gold, buy some armor, and some iron armor should be good enough. It's pretty decent in Minecraft, but I'm not sure about Bed Wars. I might need probably like 2 stacks or 128 wool. Okay. Set to basic math. shit's good enough. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, kill that person. I'm gonna use his bridge. I'm gonna grab this diamond. I'm pretty sure attribute. Oh yeah, I cannot get any attributes right now. So this is blue base. I'm gonna rush. I'm gonna grind some kills. I'm gonna take the gold. Okay, blue wipe out. I'll take the extra gold so I can like upgrade. If I'm silent, it means that I'm like in serious mode right now. Pretty much it. Just waiting for these gold boots. Okay, and off we go. Back in the day, I usually go for like gold armor, so I'm not aggressive in the early game. But this these enemies like suck at the game, probably like bots or low level players. So I might go for a rush this early. Probably like I don't. I'm lagging, bro. I'm lagging, bro. Shit, that was close, bro. I might go to red now, break the... Yeah. So, I think I'm... I'm gonna try sneaking by breaking this first. I don't have like an axe on me. Next is by breaking this. Ah shit, he noticed. Come on, faster. Out of the time. Oh, for fuck's. Okay. Okay. I definitely need an up. Definitely need. Yo, what the? I'm low health right now, bro. Need to be more tactical about this. Shield. Yo! Okay. Shit, bro. I went silent because I was on serious mode. Sorry if I'm not talk. Lately, since I have matured, I don't really talk. Because I am low. And let's go. I'll go to lobby like I usually do. let me look at this. I probably have like rewards. I think I have a little bit of like veteran knowledge since I played this game like back in like since was like 2019, 2018. So yeah. Let me do this tutorial real quick. So yeah, okay. Let me just look at this real quick. I remember the horns. The horse was low, like yeah. Buy keys. Let me buy a key because I it's like good for opening chests. And just like chest here. Oh, rune. Yeah, get rune. Yeah. This should be critical. Should be critical. And spread sword. For this, I'll pick protect one because I want to be a rusher, and I'll pick this heal. And for this, only wool. So yeah, that's pretty much. What's this? This is like Tetris. Wait, my bad. No, it ain't Tetris. My bad. Sorry for the mistake. It's like the brick, like some like brick. I know it's the brick game. So let's start with the. Wait, there's like a log. Wait, let me move this shit. There's like a login. Wait, let me log in real quick. Okay. There's like talents now. Let me unlock attack. Shit's like pretty much it. So I'll see you when I go to next game. Hello guys. This is my final game. So I have like 20 gold to start off the bat, which is kinda good. I'll probably waste it because of course I can. I'm gonna get like these two. Make it gold. Okay. So yeah, I just gotta like protect the bed. It's like pretty good, like pretty easy task. Like I need to speed run. Okay, I'm gonna do what the game says. I remember speed bridging. This was a good feature back in the day because and finally like the people can like finally like speed bridge. I'll get dumped. I'll go attack the red base now. Okay, I'm gonna chop it using iron axe. Okay, break the bed. Okay, damn. Okay, kill them. Killed him, or oh yeah, them. See to follow this guy. Where is he gonna go, bro? Where is he gonna go? Probably gonna breach. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember the old school tricks, bro. I don't know if that's effective or not, because I'm gonna go on green team. I just like quickly wipe out. What the hell? Oh, no need to see there. Just need to like break the shears. Okay. Oh, look at that, bro. Look at that. Okay, okay. It's not that bad. Like, yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, killed him. Aiming for the blue team. This one hit. Stick the blue base anyways. Here. Okay. It's not well protected, so I might push him off. Go to the already pre-made bridge. While green is occupied, I'm gonna sneak here. Okay, I'm gonna sneak. The fuck is this? The base is gone. Also, I just need to kill off the remaining two blues, which I found one right here. Okay, we're just gonna find the last blue. He's probably cowering like, I don't know. What the hell is this shit, bro? I'm gonna break this shit, bro. So there is the last blue. Okay, I pretty much like carry the team. I mean, I have like veterans knowledge. Okay, so yeah, this is gonna be my last game. Based on the like views and like the comments, let me know if you want part 2.